There's something special about turning a simple harvest into something sweet and homemade. Today we're making Rosella jam, using the calyxes fresh from the garden and a few from the freezer too. These Roselle bushes have been working overtime, and it's time to collect what they've given us. The red part is called the calyx, and it's what we'll turn into jam. But there's a trick to getting the most out of the whole plant. Once harvested, I remove the calyxes from the seed pods. It's a bit of a job, but well worth it. I keep them separate because we're actually going to use those pods too. After a good rinse and drain, the calyxes are set aside. And now it's the seed pods' time to shine. I gently crack the seed pods open and pop them into a small saucepan. Then I pour just enough filtered water over to cover them. Bring it to the boil and let it simmer, covered for about 20 minutes until the pods are soft and have released their natural pectin. Strain out the pods, into the compost they'll go, and keep that rich golden liquid. It's our secret ingredient for a jam that sets beautifully without anything artificial. Now pour the calyxes into the pectin-rich liquid. If they're not quite covered, add just a splash more water, then bring it all to the boil. Simmer for another 20 minutes, letting everything break down and thicken naturally. The color is just stunning, deep, rich crimson. Now take the pot off the heat and measure the cooked pulp. However much you have, you'll add the same amount of sugar. Back into the saucepan it goes, along with the sugar and a squeeze of lemon juice just to balance the tang. Boil for another 10 to 20 minutes until it reaches that perfect jammy consistency. You'll know it's ready when it starts to cling to the spoon. Transfer your jam into a clean jar and let it cool. You can store it in the fridge if you think it's not going to last for that long, or the freezer. You can even water bath them to preserve them for a little longer. This jam is tangy, sweet, and full of sunshine. A little bit of garden magic in every spoonful. If you've got Roselle growing, give this recipe a go and let me know how it turns out. Thanks for joining me here, and I'll see you on the next one.